Emirates is making big moves in late 2025 with a sweeping fleet retrofit and schedule expansion designed to meet surging demand for premium travel. Here's what's happening. First up, Emirates has retrofitted 60 widebodies, including Airbus A380s and Boeing 777s, over the past 30 months, refreshing cabins from nose to tail and introducing its long-awaited premium economy experience. From October 26, 2025, key route upgrades kick in. Milan will see a third daily flight using a 777-300. The Rio-Buenos Aires services will become daily, and routes to Shanghai and Singapore will be upgauged to Emirates' flagship A380 product. Shanghai gets the A380 on one daily flight, alongside a retrofitted 777 on the second, while Singapore's third daily flight also moves to A380 capacity. Looking ahead, on February 1, 2026, Emirates will transition its second Zurich flight to an A380 with premium economy debuting on board, all 777s and A380s getting this new 4-class configuration with 56 seats in a 242 layout, offering extra legroom, in-seat charging, and a side cocktail table. These upgrades come as the airline responds to booming summer and winter demand amid supply constraints. The retrofit puts modern cabin standards on older aircraft, extending their life while new deliveries continue to face delays. Emirates' move positions it strongly against competitors by offering increased capacity, more premium comfort, and expanded frequency on top global routes. With A380 and premium economy availability rising in major markets like Milan, Rio, Buenos Aires, Shanghai, Singapore, and Zurich, the carrier offers travelers more choice across Europe, South America, and Asia. This bold program, delivering a fresh aircraft every 3 weeks, shows Emirates doubling down on quality and capacity at a time when many airlines are scaling back. The question now: will these enhancements drive passenger loyalty and revenue growth, or are they just a bridge until new widebodies arrive? One thing's clear: Emirates is playing the long game, balancing luxury, convenience, and operational strength to redefine premium travel for years to come.